how you doing? My name is Howie Simon, and this is f-p-e.com. Sweep picking is when your pick travels in one direction across multiple strings, and the idea here is to have notes that sound separate from one another. What I mean by that is you're not picking a chord, but you're sweeping across three notes that sound individual. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm taking the pick. I've got the notes. Let's talk about the notes first, actually. I've got the 14th fret on the G, the 13th fret on the B, and the 12th fret on the high E, which is an A minor arpeggio. The notes of an A minor chord, A, C, and E, played individually. So what I'm doing is downstrokes across all of those three strings. To make it so the notes don't sound like they're ringing together, what you want to do is lift up the fingers on your left hand quickly as soon as the note sounds. If you don't, you get the sound like a chord together, and it doesn't sound quite as fluid. After I hit these three downstrokes, I reach up with my pinky and I get the 17th fret on the high E string, which is our root note A, and I get that with an upstroke. And then I'm going to pull that note off to the E on the 12th fret. After I hit the E, I immediately come down with upstrokes on the 13th of the B and upstroke on the 14th of the G. Now, to make this a cooler sounding exercise, what I do then is I start with another downstroke on the G, which is the 7th in the key of A minor, the minor 7th. So I've got down, 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 up, pull off, up, down, and then I'm going to hammer to this A note on the 14th of the G again to start it again. And my top note this time, instead of being an A, will be a G. Do the pull off again to the 12th fret of the E string, come back down the same notes with an upstroke, a downstroke, the hammer. We're going to go back up again, and this time we hit an F on the high E string. So, and we'll get the G the second time, not the second time, but the next time.